It might seem unimaginable that technology could advance to the point we're at today. Watch this video closely. Try to identify the location in this footage. Which country do you think this is? Chances are your guess is off the mark. The reality is, this footage doesn't capture an actual place. The people are not real, and it wasn't filmed with a phone camera. This is the work of artificial intelligence. Every scene on display is an AI-generated illusion. This noble Victoria-crowned pigeon, this captivating drone footage, none of these exist. They're all products of advanced computer algorithms. With just a keyboard, you can now create such videos in minutes, and all of this has been made possible by Sora, OpenAI's innovative text-to-video model. In this video, let's understand in an easy-to-understand manner how it works, how it can change video making forever, and how you can protect yourself from its potential risks. OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT, now bring us Sora AI. ChatGPT began the AI dialogue revolution, and DALL-E connected text to images. Sora AI goes further, turning text into videos. Describe your video like a train journey through Tokyo's suburbs, reflecting in the window, and Sora creates it. These examples are on OpenAI's Sora page, linked below. Sora doesn't just do text to video, it animates photos too. See this cloud formation spelling out Sora, initially generated by DALL-E. Now with Sora, you can animate that very image. This technology could revolutionize sectors, devastating stock imagery and video platforms by reducing film production from weeks to days with on-demand AI footage. To illustrate the rapid advancement of this technology, recall the viral video from March 2023 of Will Smith eating spaghetti. Before Sora, companies such as Runway led the AI video generation space, but look at the quality of videos generated by it. There is a vast difference. Following Sora's release, even Will Smith joined in, playfully showcasing the AI video evolution on Instagram and TikTok, commenting, "This is getting out of hand." But the next thing you might be thinking is how Sora is able to do all of this. Its core functions mirror ChatGPT. While ChatGPT utilizes tokens to dissect and construct text, Sora AI uses patches, tiny pieces of visual data, to understand and create images or videos. Think of it like a digital jigsaw puzzle. Sora breaks down existing images into pieces, analyzes what's in each one, and then arranges them into a new picture or video that matches instructions it's given. It starts with a noisy or unclear picture and gradually refines it, just like an artist adding details to a sketch. Right, so we've praised Sora a lot so far, and in fact at first viewing it will feel like this tech has reached perfection. But the reality is that if we look closely, we'll be able to confirm that it is not 100% perfect yet. Why am I saying this? View this basketball passing through the hoop, or look at these wolves, how they're appearing. So, today, these are the minor details based on which it is possible to detect if a video is AI generated or taken in real life, and OpenAI admits these weaknesses on their website. As this technology rapidly advances, distinguishing between AI and real content will get harder. OpenAI is aware, especially of the potential for spreading misinformation. This is likely why Sora AI isn't publicly available yet. It's currently being tested by red teamers who are cybersecurity experts who act like attackers to find system vulnerabilities. I anticipate that when Sora becomes publicly available, it will include feature limitations to define what can and cannot be manipulated, given the significant issues surrounding the misrepresentation of real individuals. At present, Sora AI-generated videos feature a watermark resembling a waveform evolving into OpenAI's logo, which helps distinguish AI-generated content. However, as watermarks can be removed, a more robust solution will be needed to ensure authenticity and prevent misuse. Certainly one thing is clear. AI poses risks, especially to creative jobs. I've covered the top AI dangers, including employment threats, political propaganda, and scams, as well as protection strategies in another video. Make sure to watch it. I'm sure you will enjoy it. If I quickly highlight Sora's impact, Tyler Perry paused a massive $800 million studio expansion after Sora's release. In gaming, where over 100 staff are often needed, Sora simplifies animation creation. However, there's also a positive aspect. These fields will become more accessible to the general public. If your dream was to become a filmmaker but you lack the funds, with Sora, anyone can create without expensive equipment. There's a saying, AI won't take your job, but a person who knows AI will. A personal example of this is my YouTube channel. Using AI avatar technology, I started without setting up a studio or buying costly equipment, allowing me to quickly share my passion for tech, entrepreneurship, and online business. If you're interested in these topics, please subscribe to my channel. Days are spent producing content like this, and I'd really appreciate your support, which motivates me to bring more exciting content to you. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to comment, like, and share. Before you leave, don't forget to check out this other video on the screen where we dive into OpenAI's project Q-Star. Thank you for joining today, and I hope to see you in the next video.